What do you need, honey?
I just, so this is kind of funny, but I don't have any ketchup.
Do you see it?
I don't see it.
Look in the cabinet above the counter. Like the counter where look in those cabinets. I know it's there. It's in one of the cabinets. Did you find it? Oh my goodness. You're so, wait, smile. Wait, stand there and smile with your chicken nugget and your ketchup plate. Cheese. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing ever. Okay. Thanks, Vivi. See you later. Bye.